Annville over here. Looks like we got a small thunderstorm this way,
on the way
which
back
is
home.
towards back home.
So what do you know?
Man. Hello. Look at that thing rise. Made out of yeast.
Yes. We have a storm that's made out of yeast.
If the storm stays with us,
if they're all moving northeast, if they're all moving northeast,
we're gonna own this storm.
If it's moving northeast, like all the other ones, we might actually, it might actually come to us. Well, storm looks like it's like right there.
I know, but you would.
It might go northeast, might go that way. So
yeah, we'll keep going straight. Wait a minute, I think we're going too fast for it.
Going too fast.
Passing it.
So I'll go right here or something like that.
Yeah. Right. Just pull off the shoulder. Alpha boundary.
Now we just gotta wait for it to come to us.
Yeah, it's tiny though.
Yeah, still got an anvil line. It's not high enough for any lightning. Looks like.
Feel this end flow. The storm is brewing. She's tiny, but she's got some winds to her. What was the highest we got so far here?
Right for here, thick pie by 23.
23.
Highest today has been 31. That was in Salisbury.
Right.
Non-thunderstorm. Yeah, we'll watch to see if anything's gonna stick. Alright, I think we probably need to head a little bit more this way now.
That is so far into a shelf. This is probably the precinct. This is 301 right here, but keep going straight.
It feels like it's coming from this way. Go left. It's heading towards this way too.
Ah.
The
Got a beautiful thunderhead here with this thunderstorm here. With the shelf cloud. We just got done chasing a really small cell. We came back. They started coming into my driveway, and then beautiful.
And what the heck
I worded that all wrong, not how I wanted to do it, but I had a beautiful red lightning bolt and everything to context.
Where's it heading? I think it's still heading this way, so.
Look at the shelf.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah!
What a beautiful storm. Want to just pull off side here?
Yeah.
Got guardrail.
Yeah.
Pair of bullfrogs.
Let me think.
That's to make a UE turn around. Oh, dang it. I think that's
yeah, this is a driveway right here.
Man, turn right beams on, so I don't know what the heck.
Yeah, here we go.
Let's watch them learn, boys. Light capture. Oh!
Whoa.
Dang it, I missed it.
I think I might have got it on this camera.
Light capture. Oh!
Whoa.
Dang it, I missed it.
I think I might have got it on this camera.
Come on, viewfinder.
Whoa! I got that!
You
Yeah! Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh! I just turned it from that spot! Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh,
Got that?
I hope I did. There's some pea-sized hail, looks like. Yeah, look, pea-sized hail. Yeah, we gotta call that in. That's real service. We're singing pea-sized hail.
I'll call him.
Where are we? In Ridgely?
Yeah, County, so Mount Holly.
Yeah.
Oh. Did you get that?
I hope I did.
Aphrodite to the